So here we are.
It's just me and you.
Again.
I feel so lost, cause I don't know what to do.
Tripping.
Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do?
Baby, you got us all.
I'm so afraid,
Tell me something.
afraid of disappointing
Listen.
you.
It's obvious that you ain't happy with neither am I. Damn, should I just take it or leave you to dry? Man, thought as a man I could deal with the drama. Right up on now, shit is getting too real. Think I'm a take a sabbatical and get away. Try to regroup myself till I figure a way to attack the situation in the most peaceful manner. You pressing too many buttons, girl, I'm trying to withstand you. Childish ways, your manners behave, yeah. Yelling, screaming and swinging on me, making me hate. Sure, I'm trying to leave, but you blocking the door. Like you Yvette and I'm Jody, off a baby boy. See, this is how bitches get hurt, how women get murked. Getting caught in the heat of the battle, right in the spurt. But mama taught me better, so I'ma be better and take a deep breath until it settles in. Now can we talk?
That's all I'm asking, ma.
Talk to me.
Can you do that?
Can we talk?
I mean, just put all the holler, all together and come on, just sit down.
Talk to me.
That's all I'm asking.
Another day, late night in the studio, minding my business but surrounded by these goofy hoes. Talking crazy, asking me this, wanna do that. You see the fucking ring, ma? Where the respect? Took a brief intermission, saw you texting my phone. Just wanna know how I'm